call of the wild beckons. Before you answer, ensure your backpack is brimming with these camping trip essentials. Missing out on any could mean a compromise in safety and comfort. First, shelter is paramount. A sturdy tent with stakes and guy lines will be your home away from home. Pair it with a weather-appropriate sleeping bag, a cushioning pad or air mattress, and a pillow. These items promise a good night's sleep under the stars. Next, let's talk attire. Layered clothing adapts to changing temperatures, while a waterproof jacket and pants shield you from the elements. Don't forget sturdy boots for the trails, extra socks, and swimwear for a refreshing dip. For chilly nights, a hat and gloves are must-haves. Hunger is not an option. Pack a portable stove or campfire gear, along with fuel or firewood. Cooking utensils, non-perishable food, snacks, and a cooler for perishables make up your wilderness kitchen. Remember the eating utensils and plates. Hydration is key. Carry a sufficient water supply, bottles, and a means to purify water. Safety-wise, a first aid kit, multi-tool, and navigation aids like a map or GPS are essential. Keep a whistle close, and don't leave behind emergency contact info. As dusk falls, rely on a headlamp or flashlight, and keep extra batteries handy. Lanterns set the campsite aglow. Personal items like sunscreen, insect repellent, and toiletries maintain your well-being, while prescription meds and glasses are non-negotiable. For leisure, bring chairs, books, or games. If you're angling for fun, pack your fishing gear. Lastly, secure camping permits, carry cash or cards, and don't forget your phone and charger. A camera captures the memories you'll make. Embark on your adventure with confidence, knowing you're well prepared. Happy camping!